Hello, through this video, we will learn how to use Cuma or Cuman like Indonesian native speaker. What is Cuma or Cuman? And why is it important to learn how to use it? According to the Great Dictionary of Indonesian Language, Cuma or Cuma means only, no other, and just. Another way in bahasa Indonesia to say only or just is hanya. But Indonesian use cuma or cuman a lot to say just or only rather than hanya. So, if you want to say, I just want to meet you, instead of saying, saya hanya mau bertemu kamu, most Indonesian native speaker will say, saya cuma or cuman mau bertemu kamu. Another one, barang kamu cuma ini. Your stuff or belongings only this? Ya, cuma ini. Yes, only this. Another function of cuma or cuman that used a lot by Indonesian is Indonesian use cuma or cuman as a but. Maybe any of you have learned to say but in bahasa Indonesia is tapi or tetapi. But Indonesian native speaker also use cuma or cuman to say but. For example, saya mau beli tas itu cuma mahal. I want to buy that bag but expensive. Another one. Saya mau bertemu kamu cuma tidak bisa. Means, I want to meet you but I can't. Okay, that's how Indonesian native speaker use cuma or cuman. After learning through this video, I hope you can use cuma or cuman correctly and can create your own sentences using cuma. You also can practice using cuma or cuman by writing your own sentences on the comment sections below, and I will check your sentences. Anyway, if you like this video because it helps you alert to learn Indonesian, please don't forget to support this channel by liking, sharing this video, and also subscribing to this channel. See you on the next video. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.